What is it?
Chocolate milk.
Huh.
Chocolate milk.
Oh, it tastes like chocolate milk. Do you like it? Ella, is it good?
No. I'm chocolate milk.
Ella has discovered that she gets more chocolate if she sticks her foot in and then proceeds to lick her foot as opposed to conventional spoon. I walked in and saw her doing this. We're making chocolate brownies. Can you sing, Ella?
I'll get you in me, happy when you Yay!
Yay! Say bye-bye.